Is your doctor a real doctor? When going for a beauty treatment, particularly an invasive one, it is crucial to get your treatment done with a real and licensed doctor called medical practitioner. How do you know whether your beauty medical practitioner is a real doctor? Hello, I'm Dr. Muya, a board-certified plastic surgeon in Malaysia. Welcome to Glojas Beauty Insider, where beauty meets expertise. Together with Glojas, I'm here as your guide, delivering expert insights and practical tips to elevate your beauty routine. There are so many individuals claiming they are doctors as they claim to have PhDs in related fields such as aesthetics, cosmetics, and uses this claim as a basis to allow them to provide medical services such as invasive beauty treatments. But did you know that in Malaysia, for doctors to be able to offer our medical service, we need to have not only a medical degree certificate that we obtain after 5 to 6 years of medical school, on top of 1 to 2 years of college, but we also must have a medical license that allows us to practice in this country. This license is provided by Malaysian Medical Council, MMC. Typically, to obtain this permanent medical license, we have to complete a certain number of years of internship, otherwise called housemanship, and compulsory years of public service. This is what we call APC, Annual Practicing Certificate. We have to renew this license every year, and to renew this, we also have to complete a certain number of credit points from attending courses and workshops to keep us updated at bare minimum, as medicine is always evolving and progressing. Can you check whether your doctor is a licensed medical practitioner in Malaysia? Yes, you can. There is a website that is publicly accessible called Merits MMC. The address is http://meritsmmc.moh.gov.my. In this website, you can find search for a registered doctor and type your doctor's name in there. You can type your doctor's full name or part of name and click search. You will see your doctor's full name, which university he or she graduated from, and click on the browse button under details. It will take you to a separate page where you can see a complete information of your doctor's current places of practice, and look at the left side. It should be updated at the most current year. For example, now it's 2024, as you can see here. And that is how you know whether your doctor is a real and a licensed practicing medical doctor or not. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, follow, like, and subscribe.